open his mouth for it if he wants it. I'm just going to try and get this little hand and ear down here. There we go. You're all right. See how he's not feeding on that finger? He's not going like looking for food. He just wants something there to keep his mind occupied. And if you don't want to use a dummy, you know, like this is the best thing because you can take it off, baby, and go, we'll either do this or we'll do food. You go to sleep, shut your eyes. Go on. See how he's not doing a feeding suck, he's just doing a, he's just doing a little play because something's going on that he doesn't like. Oh, you're right, come on. Not hungry. See how he's settled off with that? You're right. And he just wants a little bit of comfort just while we're mucking around. And then once he settles down, you can take your finger out and he's happy. See what happens. Yep. There you go. We'll take all this off. Pass the room test. Well done. I know. It's all good. Yeah, look. Take your mind off it while we get in here. So easy.
That's really a nice trick.
Yeah, it's so easy.
Sometimes he stays for too long. And he's not actually feeding.
No, but and you want to, thinking you're doing the right thing, keeping baby there. But it's not necessary, you know, and if you're happy to do the finger feed, which is what we do when they're preemie too, you know, because they tend to want to be a bit more comfort, and they just do that, and then when they're rested, you take it out and it's happy, you know. And
it's easy for me, you know, I can move around.
And you can do it. I can give him a finger and say, here you go, have a little chew on this while we settle you down, because you've already played with your food. There you go. There you go. I know.